What if I told you your mining hardware is only half the battle? Because even the best rig can fail if your setup is wrong. Power surges, overheating, network drops, all these can eat your profits or kill your hardware. Today we're going beyond hardware. I'm going to show you exactly how to build the best crypto mining setup for 2025. Whether you're mining Bitcoin, Caspa, or something else, this guide is for you. By the end, you'll know how to build a mining setup that's efficient, reliable, and profitable. And before we get started, if you want more real, no-fluff crypto mining guides, hit that subscribe button right now. Welcome to Kryptonite, where we help you mine smarter, not harder. What is a mining setup? Your mining setup is everything around your hardware. It's your power delivery, cooling, network, racks, cables, software, and even where you place your rig. Think of it like a race car. The engine matters, but so does the fuel, the tires, the pit crew, and the track. A great mining setup keeps your hardware running at top speed 24/7. A bad one causes downtime, wasted energy, and headaches. Power, the foundation of your setup. Power is the #1 thing that makes or breaks your mining setup. If your electricity is unstable or your wiring can't handle the load, your rig will crash, or worse, catch fire. First, check your circuits. Most home circuits can't handle more than 1,500 watts safely per outlet. If you plan to run multiple machines, consider installing a dedicated 20 amp or 30 amp circuit. Next, use high-quality power strips or PDUs designed for mining or server racks. Avoid cheap extension cords, they're dangerous. Finally, monitor your voltage. If your electricity fluctuates, add a voltage stabilizer or UPS. Stable power equals stable mining. Cooling, keeping your machines alive. Mining hardware generates serious heat. If you don't control it, your rigs throttle down or shut off, and your earnings drop. For GPU rigs, space your cards apart for airflow. Use strong exhaust fans to push hot air out. Add intake fans for fresh, cool air. For ASICs, position them so the intake faces a cool air source and the exhaust points outside or into a vent. If you can, build a ventilation box with ducting to isolate heat and noise. Some miners go the extra mile with immersion cooling. It's expensive, but it keeps temps steady, extends hardware life, and reduces noise. Network, the lifeline of your setup. A stable internet connection is a must. Without it, your rig can't communicate with the mining pool. That means no shares submitted, no earnings. Use wired Ethernet instead of Wi-Fi whenever possible. It's faster and more reliable. If Wi-Fi is your only option, invest in a high-quality router and keep your rig close. Consider a backup internet connection if you run a large operation. Even a cheap 4G router can save you during outages. Racks and organization, mining without a mess. Racks keep your setup organized and safe. For GPUs, open frame racks let your cards breathe. For ASICs, heavy-duty shelves or server racks work best. Label every cable. Keep cords off the floor to prevent tangling and overheating. Zip ties and Velcro straps are your friends. A tidy rig is easier to maintain, troubleshoot, and upgrade. Software, the brain of your setup. Software turns your mining hardware from metal bricks into moneymakers. For ASICs, manufacturer firmware works, but consider third-party firmware like Bronze OS or Vnish for better efficiency and features. For GPU rigs, operating systems like Hive OS or Rave OS let you manage multiple rigs from one dashboard. They support overclocking, temperature control, and remote monitoring. If you're just starting, NiceHash offers the easiest experience. Just install it and start mining. Pool choice, don't go it alone. Mining solo is like playing the lottery. You could hit it big, but odds are you'll get nothing. Pools let you earn small, steady payouts instead of waiting months or years. Choose a pool with low fees, good reputation, and servers near your location. For Bitcoin, try F2 Pool, Slush Pool, or Via BTC. For Caspa, Woolly Pooly, and Hera miners are popular choices. Joining the right pool improves your earnings and minimizes rejected shares. Security, protecting your setup and wallet. Your mining rig is valuable, and so is your crypto. Secure your rig physically with locks or by placing it in a locked room. Set up a firewall on your router. Keep your mining software up to date. Use strong passwords on mining dashboards and wallets. And store your crypto earnings in a hardware wallet or secure software wallet, not on the exchange or mining pool. Is this video helping you build the perfect mining setup? Then give it a thumb up and smash that subscribe button now. At Kryptonite, we're all about giving you the knowledge to mine profitably and safely. Maintenance. Keeping things running smoothly. A great setup still needs love. Dust your rigs regularly. Dust kills airflow. Check temperatures weekly. Update firmware and mining software when new versions release. Review power consumption and profitability every month. Stay proactive and you'll avoid expensive surprises. Optimizing for profit. Once your setup runs smoothly, tweak it to maximize income. Adjust overclocks on GPUs to find the sweet spot between speed and power use. Switch coins if your main coin becomes less profitable. Keep your electricity costs low by mining during off-peak hours if your power company offers time-of-use rates. Little tweaks can mean big profits over time. Future-proofing your setup. Crypto evolves fast. To stay ahead, choose hardware with good resale value. Pick rigs compatible with multiple coins. Stay active in mining communities. Forums, Discord servers, and Reddit groups are full of insights. And remember, adapt when the market changes. Flexibility is your biggest advantage. To sum up, mining isn't just about buying hardware. The best miners win by setting up their environment perfectly. They control power, cooling, internet, organization, and security. That's what turns hardware into real income. So start smart, keep learning, and never stop optimizing. If this guide helped you, hit that like button and subscribe to Kryptonite. We bring you weekly videos packed with mining guides, gear reviews, and crypto insights that actually make sense. Drop a comment below. What does your mining setup look like? We'd love to feature some of your setups in a future video. See you next time.